Welcome to Eyes Open Media. All right, so let's check the Wall Street out today and also the world markets and also some headline news from Wall Street as well. And we're going to look in depth into Apple, the shares of Apple, and then their symbol is AAPL. Okay, so let's get into some headline news first from Wall Street. It says that the U.S. stocks spring higher as energy sectors soar. Okay. Says top equity stories of the day. GM increases buyback plan, boosts earnings outlook. GE decamps to Boston. I wonder what that's all about. GE, General Electric, decamps to Boston. Are they moving to Boston? What's going on with that? I don't know. Anyways, Obama administration wants to spend $4 billion on driverless car guidelines. Excuse me? Oh, my goodness. $4 billion. You know how much $4 billion could feed a lot of homeless people? You know, it could get people back to working. It can get people training that they need to get to work so they can build the economy up. $4 billion on driverless car guidelines. Wow. Anyways, it's unbelievable to me. Let's see. JP Morgan, actually. JP Morgan sounds caution on economy. Okay. Says a computer mogul Dell stands to reap billions from FCC auctions. And also, Best Buy's holiday snapped by weak smartphone sales. Okay. Let's see up here. Let's see what's going on. So the Dow Jones was actually up today. It was finished at 16,383.98, which is up 232.57. for a percentage of 1.44%. NASDAQ was up as well. It finished at 4615.674, which is up 89.609, okay, which is also 1.98%. Oil was up today, is at $31.16 per barrel, which is 1.96% up today. I think maybe yesterday could have been the bottom. We'll see. We'll see as we go on. We know implementation day is coming for Iran. Tomorrow's the big inspection, and then after that, they'll either announce it on Saturday and Sunday, but you'll probably start seeing them celebrate on Friday and Saturday. If they don't announce it until Sunday, you'll see them celebrate in the streets of Iran Friday and Saturday, and then they'll probably just say, you know what, they're celebrating. Okay, the implementation, all sanctions have been lifted. Okay, and then we got to start worrying about what Iran is going to do to the world. Oh, boy. All right, so let's see. Gold prices were down today at 1,076.9, 16.4 it was down, and let's see, minus 1.50%. Euro was down on the dollar, 1.086415, which was minus 0.14%. Okay. So let's see if anybody was up big today. Okay, Williams was up big today, 34%. WMB. A lot of things were up big today. ETE was up big as well, 23%. And FCX was up big as well. Bank of America was up a little bit today. Okay. Now let's go to the world markets here. Let me make sure I'm good on time. Okay. Let's see here. World markets. Asia market. Now, by the way, if you guys don't know when the Asian markets open, they open at 8 p.m. till 3 a.m. Okay, and that's Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so when it's 8 p.m. Eastern in America till 3 a.m. Eastern, the Asian markets are open. That's kind of weird, isn't it? But it is what it is. They're so ahead of us. It's unbelievable. Let's see. Shanghai Composite was up today, plus 1.93%. Hang Seng was down minus 0.59%. Nikkei was down minus 2.68%. Okay, now let's go to Europe. Now, if you guys don't know when the Europe markets open, they open at 3 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in America, and they also close at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So when you go to have lunch, the Euro markets are closed. Okay, when you go eat around 11:30, 12 o'clock, when you go on your lunch breaks and stuff. Okay, so the CAC 40, it was down minus 180. Minus 1.80%, basically 1%. I didn't want to say 180 because that's 180% down. Now it was minus 1.80. Okay, under 2%. Okay, DAX was down minus 1.67%, and the FTSE 100 was down 0.72%. All right, so for you guys that don't know about America and when we open our stock markets or South American stock markets, it's 9 a.m. Well, yeah, is it 9 a.m. or 9:30? I thought the markets open at 9:30. Well, pre-markets are open, you know what I mean, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m., okay? And S&P 500 was up 1.67% today. Mexican Bozo was up 0.84%, and Brazil was down minus 0.03%. Let's see, Canada was up 1.52%, and Chile was up 0.45%, and let's see, the IPC in Mexico was up 0.83%. Okay, cool. So now let's go to that's it for that. And now let me check the time. Okay, so we got about 3 minutes to talk here because I'm going to keep all the videos around 10 minutes for today on Eyes Open Media. Okay, so let's see here. We got about 3 minutes to talk about Apple. I just picked Apple random. You guys aren't, I asked the main channel for stocks, and this channel, I guess a lot of you guys are not into stocks right now, and that's fine. But I'll pick some that I'm interested in looking at and just dissecting, and I'll bring them to the table. Okay, so I picked Apple because this is a really popular stock. I'll pick some penny stocks as well, but right now we're gonna do Apple. Okay, so Apple, stock symbol AAPL, and let's see, it's on the NASDAQ, and it says, let's see, it opened at 97.96, a high was 100.48, low was 95.74, close was 99.52, volume was 62.2 million, change was plus 213, and percentage was 2.19%. Okay, so let's take a look at it. The RSI 14 is 36.33, but it's coming up. Okay, so it looks like it's coming up a little bit. Can it reach to 50 to get back to normal? I don't know. It looks like it will. And we're looking at the daily charts right now. The 50-day moving average is at 111.93, so 111.93. The 200 moving days at 118.19. Let's see. Should I add the SAR? Yes, I will add the SAR to it to make sure to see where it's at, if it's a buy or a sell. It looks like it's a sell right now, but it's coming into a buy though. That's what it looks like. Oh yeah, it was a buy yesterday, and today it was a sell again. So yesterday it touched the SAR and it flipped it to a sell. So right now today it's a sell. Okay, just according to the SAR, but that can change anytime. And the SAR is at 101.19. Okay, so. Looking at it, looks like it's been down big since December. Actually, going back to November. From November, it was about 122, 120 something, all the way down to 95, and it looks like it's about to be on its way back up. It had a nice bounce, and nice resistance here at around 96, and it looks like that's a great buy around the 96 range. So I give this chart a sell right now, but for future reference, the chart looks great going forward. I know they got some new products and things that are coming to the market, but if you're looking at the chart, it's a sell, but it could be a buy very, very soon. Okay, Currency 365. I'm powered by Eyes Open Media, and that is it. I'm out.